Hello, welcome to our data science course review series. Today in the video, we are going to review India's most trusted and I would say one of the biggest institute when it is about learning data science. It's Scalar Academy. Scalar offers data science course that is with integrated AI, artificial intelligence in their program. The benefits of this particular course is that you are going to get live classes, one-to-one mentorship. This is an exclusive feature so that as a student you're going to get a benefit of clearing your doubts with the real-time practitioners, and along with this you have industry projects. So let's say agar aapko as a student, if you're looking forward to go ahead and get a pure hands-on learning, Scalar is a place where you can actually go ahead and study data science. Industry projects helps you to study data science in terms of getting a more practical leveraged learning. When I talk about the Y Scalar program, one-to-one mentorship is there, top instructors are there, AI projects and case studies, that's a good thing. Career counseling after the course they're giving you, AI tools and languages is what you get. Learners and alumni network, this is very good so that you actually can go ahead and talk with the people, those who are already placed by them. This is the kind of a thing that will help you to even get strong feeling whether Scalar is the right place for you to study or not. So if they do it before enrolling you in the course, I think this is another overall great thing. Then let's go ahead and check their course curriculum. Beginner module, which is like a 5 months thing, data analysis and visualization for 3 months. Foundation of machine learning and deep learning is for 3 months, specialization for 3 months, machine learning, that's for 1 month. Then advanced data structure and algorithms is for 4 months. Generative AI is another 2 months. If I look at this, this is almost like 11 months program. And let me explain you that how exactly this course is working in their case. Here in this particular part, जब आप यहाँ तक पढ़ोगे 4 months, you're going to learn just data analysis. So this can be data analysis or data scientist. ये beginning, it's a foundation. Then you're going to be here, foundation of ML and deep learning. Here in the 3 months, you're going to learn how exactly ML works, how exactly deep learning works. So here you will learn specifically the coding part and everything. यहाँ पे आप ML, then advanced structure and algorithm को पढ़ते हो, and then Gen AI पे जाते हो. So अगर आप, if you actually go ahead and study this point, you are actually learning the data scientist stuff. Till this particular point, this is more like data analyst thing, which is quite good. The kind of tools they're covering, it's like WXL, SQL, Python. These are only the things those are required. So this is good. Scalar has a certification that's available here in front of you. And the teachers are industry experts. Their details are already mentioned here. If I try to figure out their course fee, well, that's not available. So I think you have to download the brochure. To the best of my knowledge, this kind of a program should not be lesser than 1 lakh. It should be 1 lakh plus taxes. So when I talk about the overall course curriculum on a scale of 1 to 10, I will be rating them 9.5. That's quite decent in terms of, they'll be able to, help you to get a job. Let's go ahead and check now their reviews, what their real learner says. So as in the past, I've been talking about it that I don't trust Google reviews. I only trust authentic reviews. Those are available at Course Report or Trustpilot. Speaking about Scalar Academy, here I have seen some disappointment. So almost like 109 people have, rated them. Unfortunately, they have not replied to anyone. This is not right, but that's a choice of the company. Again, according to me, ghosting students or customers is not ideally the right way of dealing. They've got 3.0 as an average, so that's like average rating. That's the review. So again, I would like to recommend that given in such kind of a case, you should speak with the alumni list before moving ahead. However, again, when I show you reviews even of Apple, the world's most trusted brand, okay, Apple has around 1.8 rating. So in short, what I'm trying to say is that, of course, I'm not trying to defend Scalar here. It's just that I'm just trying to tell you that don't just rely upon one site for the review checkup thing. You should check a couple of other websites too and speak with your alumni. Now, if you're looking forward to go ahead and get the best learning, in this vertical of data analytics or data science. One of my suggestion or suggested place for to study this is an institute which I am mentioning in the the description box of this particular video. I recommend you can also go ahead and check the same. Just evaluate, whether this one or Scalar one, which one is the best one. Decide best for your career. Take counseling from both the places, attend free trial classes, and see where you actually get the kind of value that you're looking forward to get. Rest is your decision. Take a wise call. It's about your career. If you need any help from me, feel free to comment in the comment section. I'm there to advise you and guide you. And once again, looking forward and best of luck for your learning. Take care. Thank you for watching.